All right, hello, I'm Dustin. I'm a restart.
You're good.
Hello, I'm Dustin. I'm a project design specialist with Dalinghaus Construction. Yeah, so when you see issues at your home dealing with the foundation, I'm the one that comes out. I'll do a full analysis on your home, figure out exactly where you're having the issues. We do floor level surveys, so we use a manometer level, which is basically a water level, and we'll go through the whole home measuring the actual foundation to see where it's low, where it's possibly high, and that's how we actually figure out where we're going to put the repairs that are needed. Yeah, so my day-to-day, I arrive to your house, do a short greeting, we'll get to know each other a little bit. I'll ask you to show me the areas you're concerned with, and I'll go ahead and check those areas out, and I'll do a full inspection while I'm there also to make sure there's no other areas that have issues going on. After that, we'll sit back down, we'll kind of discuss what I find during my inspection, and we'll discuss possible repair options. Yeah, I've been in the industry for about 5 years. For the last 2, I've been with Dalinghaus, and I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, so some of the major problems I help homeowners with are really peace of mind, just gaining the peace of mind back. A lot of my customers tell me they lose sleep over some of these issues, worrying that their house is going to collapse on them in the middle of the night. So I like to show them that, everything's fixable. We definitely have a good repair plan that's going to permanently stop this movement, so you can rest easy and not have to worry about it anymore. Yeah, so I've seen some pretty bad houses, as you can imagine. There's a house down in Tucson that I saw. It had over 6 inches of settlement. There was cracks in the wall where you could see daylight coming through the wall. And they purchased it for $100,000, and unfortunately the repair plan was up above the actual cost of the home. It was something they had to do though, because the house was just falling apart. So they ended up deciding to, because they were planning on keeping the house for future generations, pass it down to their kids, so they wanted to put the money into it to get it secure so they could pass it down. Yeah, so we just try to look for mirroring damage. So we're looking on the exterior, we try to look for cracks along windows, look for doors that are getting tight or windows that don't open anymore. And we're trying to find mirroring damage. So if we see it on the outside and we see it on the inside, we know that that wall has been moving. And drywall cracks pretty easily, so that's an easy telltale sign that you're having some movement going on. Yeah, no, I do truly love my job. It sure beats sitting behind a desk all day in an office. I get to drive around, see different parts of the state. I get to meet new people every day, new problems. I get to use my mind to create repair plans that are actually gonna last and actually gonna work. It never gets boring, that's why I like it. Yeah, my customers tell me all the time that I make them feel comfortable. I have conversations with them. I'm not salesy. I'm not trying to sell them on anything they don't need. I'm just being really honest. I like to help them just come to the solution that they want. Yeah, so family is everything to me. Spend a lot of time with my family, go a lot of camping trips. I love camping, I love fishing. We do a lot of backyard barbecue events. Spending time with family, grilling. I like smoking meats. I do a lot of pork and a lot of briskets. So. Just like to be outdoors and like to garden, and I like to, I grow fruit trees, and I like to grow my own food for my family, and I love animals, so those are all the things that I like. Yeah, a little fun fact most people don't know about me is my nickname's Farmer D, because I am a backyard farmer. I call myself an urban farmer. So I actually, in my backyard, I have fruit trees, I have gardens, I have chickens even, where I get fresh eggs every day. So I'm kind of that urban farmer kind of guy, and that's what I like to do.
How many chickens do you have?
7. Yep. I get about 6 eggs a day. Fruit trees are perennial. You plant them once and they just provide for the rest of your life, basically. My wife and I are super close. We spend every day together. I mean, we can't wait to have the weekend to spend time together and do some fun stuff. And yeah, I just love spending time with family. Thanks for making it this far. I hope you guys learned a little bit about me. And if you guys need any help with your foundation, need an inspection, go ahead and call our office number and I'll come out and help you guys out.